How's it going? We're here for day 67 of Fergal Scales Fiddle Tune Day 2017. I'm in Hartford, Connecticut today, and I was delighted that Jean Freeman sent me a message on Facebook to invite me to a session tonight, and unfortunately I couldn't make the session, but I invited her to come and play a tune, which I was delighted that she accepted. And today, especially for International Women's Day, we're going to play
Health to the Ladies.
Health to the Ladies. 3. Thanks a million, Jean.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow for day 67. Or 68, maybe.